my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in today's video, I will be sharing my experience and opinions about this vitamin C range by Dot & Key. Now this is one brand that I had been wanting to try ever since it got launched, I guess, and I finally got my hands on their vitamin C range. So you guys wanted me to make this whole review video, so this video is going to be just that. Now if you've been following me for a while, you would know that I love vitamin C. Wow, I just dropped the packaging. And I don't think I need to explain the benefits of vitamin C for our skin because I have done that a lot of times in my previous videos. But जिसको नहीं पता उनके लिए मैं जल्दी से आपको 3-4 main benefits बता देती हूँ. वैसे तो काफी सारे benefits होते हैं, but जो main benefits होते हैं I'm just gonna tell you. So first of all, it has antioxidant properties. It has anti-aging properties as well. तो मतलब आप कह सकते हो it reduces signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles. It also reduces hyperpigmentation. So for example, if you have like dark spots on your face, so vitamin C really helps to reduce those spots and basically evens out the skin tone. It also brightens up the skin and gives like a really nice glow to the skin, as well as it keeps the skin hydrated and nourished. So you clearly know that vitamin C has a lot of benefits, and I was so intrigued to try out the Dot & Key's vitamin C range. So I got my hands on their vitamin C serum concentrate. Then we have this Glow C sleep mask. So it's a sleeping mask. And then we have the vitamin C pink clay mask. It's a glow reviving clay mask. So I thought ke फिर से गिरा दिया. Now it's been more than 3 weeks since I've been pampering my skin with all these Dot & Key products, and I feel that's like a fair amount of time to share my review and what I exactly feel about these products. Now firstly, let's have a look at the outer packaging. So both of the masks came in this cardboard packaging, और आप देख सकते हो कि इसकी ऐसे हट जैसी शेप है जो कि काफी ज्यादा क्यूट है. And we also get a card inside this which has all the information about this particular product. So this card comes inside this packaging. Then we have the vitamin C serum concentrate. इसकी जो packaging है ना, it's so good you guys. I mean, it opens up like a book and it's magnetic. Then you get the product over here, and all the extra information is mentioned over here about the product. So their packaging game is so strong, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. I feel it's so cute. So first of all, we have this vitamin C serum concentrate. Then we have this Glow C sleep mask, and lastly we have this pink clay mask. So before reviewing the products, let me just quickly tell you that Dot & Key is a cruelty-free Indian brand, और इनके सारे ही products जो है ना, they are like free from harmful chemicals. So I'm just gonna read that for you guys. So it does not contain any synthetic bleach. They are free from any parabens. They are alcohol and sulfate free. Also, they do not have any silicones and other nasty chemicals. And also their products are made from a lot of natural extracts. So this is what attracted me the most to try this brand, क्योंकि कोई भी ऐसा harmful chemical नहीं है skin के लिए. And let's talk about the glow reviving vitamin C pink clay mask. Now it says that it's made with French pink clay and vitamin C rich cacao plum. It gently deep cleanses and calms skin for a powerful boost of radiance. Pores appear to vanish, clarity is restored, and glow is instant. So we have like some more information over here about this product. Now इस product को मैंने आराम से 4 से 5 बार use कर लिया है, and you guys can see that I have used this product a lot. Now this one has like a really mild fragrance which is not very overpowering. Now clay masks in general are really good for the skin क्योंकि they remove all the impurities and they also prevent acne. अगर आपकी oily skin है ना, तो clay masks just do wonders for oily skin people because it really helps to absorb the excess oil. But the pink clay mask in specific helps to clear out the toxins, and it also helps to restore and replenish the skin with moisture, which is why a pink clay mask does not dry out the skin. So अगर आपकी dry skin है, आप तब भी ये use कर सकते हो because it's not gonna suck all the moisture from your skin. It's not gonna make your skin dry. और ये जो mask है ना, ये काफी अच्छे से skin को detoxify कर देता है, and जितने भी हमारे pores में gunk होता है ना, वो सारा हटा देता है. Although it's a clay mask, but it's really easy to work with क्योंकि it's not of a very thick texture. Because मैंने काफी सारे ऐसे clay mask use किए हैं जो like बहुत ही difficult होते हैं apply करने में because कितना ज़्यादा thick होता है उनका texture. But it's not the case with this one. It has like a, you can say कि creamy sort of a clay texture है इसका, जो कि काफी अच्छे से skin पे spread हो जाता है. So I have to apply it all over my face and neck, and then I leave it for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes होने के बाद I just take a reusable cotton wipe, you can say. I just wipe it off अच्छे से क्योंकि it's less messy in that case. After that I just like to rinse my face with some water. Now this face mask gives such a nice beautiful glow to the face because of course it has vitamin C and it also has few other natural extracts like cacao plum, pineapple and pumpkin oil. So ये जो होते हैं स्किन की elasticity को improve करते हैं as well as they prevent acne. And then it also has hyaluronic acid and camellia seed oil. They really help to you can say hydrate and plump the skin. So overall I feel this is such a beautiful clay mask and इसमें काफी सारे और भी variants available हैं जैसे green tea, charcoal. So I think I'm gonna try those as well. Next up we have the Dot & Key's Glow Revealing Vitamin C Serum Concentrate. So this has cacao plum and acerola cherry. So जो cacao plum होता है it really helps to repair the damaged skin as well as it reduces collagen breakdown. Whereas जो acerola cherry होती है it really helps to treat the blemishes and it improves skin elasticity. So both the ingredients are really beneficial for the skin. Also guys इस serum में hyaluronic acid भी है. So पैकेजिंग पे कहीं भी परसेंटेजेस मेंशन्ड नहीं है, ना ही विटामिन सी की और ना ही हाइलुरोनिक एसिड की परसेंटेज मेंशन्ड है. एंड आई वाज आल्सो नॉट श्योर अबाउट द फॉर्म ऑफ विटामिन सी, मुझे वो भी कंफर्म करना था. सो आई एक्चुअली रीच्ड आउट टू द ब्रांड टू कंफर्म द परसेंटेजेस एज वेल एज टू क्रॉस चेक द फॉर्म ऑफ विटामिन सी एंड दे डिड रिस्पॉन्ड टू माय ईमेल. सो जो भी उन्होंने मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है आई एम जस्ट गोना पुट इट हियर ऑन द स्क्रीन. नाउ द सीरम कम्स इन दिस प्लास्टिक बॉटल along with this dropper packaging which is quite handy. Also you guys can see it's quite lightweight. It's almost like water and it feels really light on the skin. So even if you have like oily skin, it's not gonna feel heavy on your skin क्योंकि काफी easily absorb हो जाता है ये skin में. Also guys, this has like a very mild citrusy fragrance which is quite refreshing to be honest. Now I have to take 4 to 5 drops of this serum on my palm and then I start patting it on my skin. This is one quick tip that you should never rub your serums onto your skin. Always pat it gently so that the serum would get absorbed nicely into the skin. And guys I always make sure कि मैं जब भी ये serum लगाऊं ना इसके ऊपर मैं अच्छा एक hydrating moisturizer भी लगाऊं क्योंकि इस serum में ऐसे कुछ ingredients हैं जिनमें आप कह सकते हो कि astringent properties हैं which can dry out the skin. So if you have like extremely dry skin, make sure that you use a heavy duty moisturizer on top of this vitamin C serum. This serum adds like a very beautiful glow to the face and may I add I had a lot of texture going on my forehead and within a week of using it I could see that my skin has started to become smooth. Like I do have some sort of texture abhi bhi, but it has become so much better. And like I said, it has hyaluronic acid which is like a cherry on the cake you can say, because hyaluronic acid has some amazing properties. It has some antioxidants, it has anti-aging properties, also has some healing properties and a lot of other similar properties like vitamin C. So you can say कि अगर किसी vitamin C serum में hyaluronic acid भी होता है ना साथ में, so you would get like maximum benefit. And lastly I'm going to talk about the Dot & Key's Glow C Sleep Mask. So this is a vitamin C sleeping mask. हमको इसको रोज रात को लगाना होता है before we go to sleep and then we have to leave it overnight. Now this sleeping mask has pineapple which is like a natural source of vitamin C. Also it has cacao plum, उसके benefits मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ. Also guys, this has hyaluronic acid which is too good and इस mask में एक और बहुत ही amazing ingredient है which is the camellia seed oil. You can say that it's like a natural source of antioxidants and उसमें और भी काफी vitamins होते हैं जैसे vitamin A and vitamin B. Now this product says that it's made with a blend of vitamin C rich ingredients and soothing botanicals. This overnight glow giver is just what you need at the end of the day. It works to unclog pores, prevents breakouts and brighten complexion to deliver a dewy radiance. Okay, so first let me show you the consistency. So this mask has a gel-like consistency and this is like a very lightweight sleeping mask. Doesn't feel heavy or sticky on the skin. It won't make your skin greasy. Now because this is like a gel sleeping mask, it just gets absorbed into the skin like this. So even if you have like combination skin or oily skin, you can definitely use this. It would not feel heavy on your skin at all. And क्योंकि ये mask काफी ज़्यादा light होता है skin पे, so one layer wouldn't be enough for dry skin people. So if you have like dry skin, make sure that you apply like a thick layer of this mask before you go to sleep. Now इस mask में भी जो vitamin C और hyaluronic acid की percentage है, I'm just gonna put it here on the screen. Please have a look. And how can I forget to tell guys that this mask also has that same citrusy fragrance just like their vitamin C serum. Now since it's an overnight sleeping mask, मैं हमेशा इसको रात को लगाती हूँ सोने से पहले. तो सबसे पहले I like to apply this vitamin C serum and on top of that मैं ये sleeping mask लगाती हूँ. And the next day when I wake up in the morning, my skin is all soft and supple. I can see some brightness and radiance on my skin, which is so satisfying, to be honest. I was so happy to see that this mask worked wonderfully on my skin and I've been using this ever since. And you know guys, I had like few bumps over here on my forehead. मतलब texture तो था ही, साथ ही के साथ मेरे यहाँ पे 4-5 ऐसे छोटे छोटे बम्प्स भी थे. बट मैंने जब इसको फर्स्ट टाइम यूज किया ना, एंड राइट आफ्टर द फर्स्ट यूज आई कुड सी दैट द बम्प्स गॉट रिड्यूस्ड. मतलब आई वाज सो शॉक्ड एंड हैप्पी एट द सेम टाइम कि मतलब ऐसा चमत्कार कैसे हो गया कि एक बार यूज करने में मतलब मेरे बम्प्स रिड्यूस हो गए जो कि इतने टाइम से नहीं हो रहे थे. सो यू कैन से दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज डेफिनेटली माई फेवरेट आउट ऑफ ऑल 3 products. So overall you can say that I had like a really nice experience with, you know, Dot & Key's vitamin C range, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Love the fact that it's a very own Indian brand and इनके products में कोई भी ऐसे harmful chemicals नहीं होते हैं. Rather their products have a lot of natural extracts from botanicals. Just in case आपको इनमें से कोई भी product check out करना है, so don't worry, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below of all these products. And if you like this video, then please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, I would surely leave all the links for you guys in the description box below. And yes, I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.